Welcome to Works with My Home, a channel dedicated to Apple Home and the devices that power it. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to give you a quick rundown of what you can expect from Works with My Home. Like many of you, I'm a big smart home and Apple enthusiast, and I love adding more and more tech into my home. My passion really started 4 years ago when I got the keys to my first home with my wife. What started with buying a HomePod mini quickly grew into a much bigger interest in smart home tech and especially Apple Home. On this channel I'll be sharing my experience with real tech in a real home, how it benefits me and sometimes my family too. Everything featured on this channel has been or will be bought by me and used in a UK home. That does come with some challenges because the UK often does not get the same level of support or product choices as the US or even parts of Europe when it comes to smart home devices. My aim is to give you honest, detailed information and real user experience with a wide range of smart home products. Like many homeowners, the improvements never really stop, and my smart home is no exception. I'll also be sharing future plans for my setup and the products I'm looking to add along the way. Overall, this channel is all about honest, useful and informative content on Apple Home, smart tech and all the extras that come with it. So if you're into smart homes, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and join me on the journey to building a better and smarter home. Don't forget to turn on notifications for future videos and I'll see you in the next one.